Lovely little lines, which is perfect for this bike. Not green lanes. I mean, green lanes are perfect for this bike, but we won't be going on them today because Dad's on his 1050 Sport Triumph Tiger. I've got all the words in the wrong way around there, and obviously it's not ideal for the green laning. There's a big old pole up there. Alright. I like the way it's just held up with cables. Where are we going?
I've never ridden this road before, so it's new one on me.
Okay. So we're going to get lost. We're going to be lost. It's quite nice down here though. It's brightening up a bit actually. It's not raining anymore. It's always a bonus. El Bonesoy. The bikes were actually pristine when we came out, now they're filthy. Church Hogham. Hogham. There's loads of random little villages, even more so than around Somerset. So, red phone box, wow, look at that! Oh, nearly lost it there, a bit slippery. Lost in Kent. See, here we go, little lanes now. Where are we? They're riding around the big telegraph pole thing. Communications mast. Maybe we will be green laning. We are lost now. Adventure. This is an adventure. We are adventuring. These little farm tracks. Ooh. Beautiful down here. It's nice and dry down here. How weird, isn't it? Oh, my snood's dropped down. Got a mouthful of snood. Whee! There's a Dover castle up there, looking rather fantastic. It's huge. Hold the camera up so you can see it. Horses. Oh, this is nicer. Nice country roads now. Love a little lanes, some more lanes. Ooh, yeah. Oh, that was slippery. I'm going to end the video there, well, me chatting anyway, so I've run out of things to talk about. But please feel free to enjoy the rest of the video, which will just be some footage of little lanes and stuff like that. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed something a bit different on the CRF 300, out for a little ride around Kent with my dad. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, give me a like and comment below and let me know what you think. And I'll see you next time on Tom's TC. Cheers guys, ciao. I'm waving at the camera that's not there, brilliant.